Hello, good day. This is Kingsley Abedi. I am a child of God, and that is very important to me. Whether you call me first class graduate of finance, whether you call me chartered accountant, experienced portfolio manager, those are secondary, right? The most important thing is that after all the stocks, after all the finance, after all the investment, after making money, what shall it profit you if you gain the whole world and lose your soul? Think about it, where you are going to spend eternity. You don't know when Jesus will come, neither do you know when you will die. So if you have not, please ensure you give your life to Christ today. Now, let's go straight to the business of the day. Straight to the point. Let's look at this stock. It's a very, very important one. Then, for those who missed, for the last video I did a video on Vitafoam. I did 3 videos, and of course, for those who keyed into it, we are all smiling, right? So let's go straight to the point. This particular stock, if you look at the revenue, we have 22 billion naira, right? The profit for the year about 10 billion, and the EPS, right? That's the earnings per share, was around 4.75. So uh, recently there was a corporate action, right? And they have declared dividend. They are declaring 2 naira per share, for each unit you are holding. And that is not just all, that's just one of it. The most important thing now is they are declaring bonus of 1 new share for every 3 holdings you are having. Now, this stock is NGS Group, right? What is NGS Group? Right, NGS Group is a company, and of course, companies that are traded, on the Nigerian exchange, right? The companies that are traded on the NGX. This NGX is the Nigerian Exchange Group, and of course, they are uh, they are in charge of listing of new companies to be traded on the NGX. So they are the stock market itself, right? So of course, you can have a unit of ownership, of this NGX, and they are giving 1 new share for every 3 you have. So that's sure 33%, in just less than 2 months. Now, if you look at the qualification date, it's 10th of April 2026. Payment date is 29th of April 2026. Now, also, what is giving the confidence, for investing in this particular stock? So apart from this bonus, apart from the dividend, if you look at this news here, Dangote Refinery chooses Stanbic IBTC, Vertical Capital Management, and First Cap to lead IPO. So it means that they are ready to be listed on the NGX. This is what we've been saying over time. Since last year, all analysts have been saying it, that definitely they will list on the NGX. Now they have taken a move to list on the NGX. And if this happens, now look at, see what is here. The Dangote Group has appointed 3 investment banks to lead what could become the largest equity offering in Africa capital market history. The largest equity offering in African capital market history, right? So this would propel the NGX into a significant increase, right? So the more trading that will happen, the more money that will be made. And if you already have a unit of the NGX, you will see that you are making so much money. And most likely, as at now, the price is 150.95, right? Okay. So before the qualification date, it may get to 200. And what happens? You've gained a dividend, you've gained capital appreciation, and of course, bonus issue. So it's a very, very significant one. And if you look at federal government policies, you can see that they are trying to favor, the Nigerian stock market in general. So yeah, this is it. If you want to invest in, of course, this is not a financial advice. This is my own opinion. You can go ahead and invest in it. And for those who are not members of my community, now just take a look at this information here. This dividend information was released on February 27th, 2026, and of course, that's exactly 1 week from now. For those who are part of my community, people are already buying. Okay, people who I told on my group to buy, people bought at 136. Some people bought on that particular day at 124, the day that the information was released, right? People also bought at 148. Currently, it is already at 150, right? So if you want to join the community, there's going to be a description. There's going to be a prompt in the description section. Just click the link and join the community. Then, if you mix Vitafoam, this is another opportunity for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.